Hello everyone, I am Tarun Prajit from CSEI, graduating in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and I am here to discuss about the topic human heart. Welcome to this presentation on the incredible human heart, the master pump that powers our body every single day. Join me as we take a closer look at its amazing autonomy and functions, as well as the ways to keep it healthy and strong. In this slide, we will discuss about the autonomy of the heart. First, the chambers. The chamber is divided into four chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle, each with its own distinct function. Next, the valves. Four valves in the heart ensure that blood flows in the right direction. The tricuspid valves, the pulmonary valve, the mitral valve, and aortic valve. Next, the coronary arteries. The coronary arteries are responsible for supplying oxygen-rich blood to heart muscle itself, ensuring that it can keep pumping without rest. Next, the pericardium. The heart is protected and cushioned by the pericardium, a sac-like substance that surrounds it and reduces friction. In this slide, we'll discuss about the functions of the heart. The first one is transportation. The heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body and deoxygenated blood to the lungs, ensuring that every organ and cell receives the nutrition it needs. Next, when we come to the regulation, the heart helps to regulate blood pressure and maintain a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes in the body. Next, the third function of the heart is protection. That is, the heart plays a vital role in the body's immune response, helping to defend against infection and disease. In this slide, we will discuss about the circulatory system. First, the arteries. Arteries transport oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body, branching out like a complex network of tubes. Next, the veins. Veins return deoxygenated blood back to the heart, working against gravity to keep the body's blood supply moving. Next, the capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the body, where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged for carbon dioxide and waste materials. The blood. The blood carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones, proteins, and waste products and to and from the body cells and organs. In this slide, we'll discuss about blood vessels connected to the heart. The first one is the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery is responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. And the next one is aorta. The aorta is the largest artery in the body and carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to all parts of the body, which helps in oxygen circulation throughout the body. The next one is the superior vena cava. The superior vena cava is responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood from upper half of the body back to the heart. The inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava is responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood from lower half of the body back to the heart. These are the blood vessels connected to the heart. In this slide, we will discuss about the heart disease and disorders. Coronary artery disease. The buildup of plaque in the arteries that supply the heart can lead to chest pain, heart attack, and other complications. The next disease is arrhythmia. An irregular heartbeat can cause shortness of breath, dizziness, and fatigue, among other symptoms. The next one is heart failure. The heart's inability to pump enough blood to support the body's needs can lead to fluid buildup, shortness of breath, and fatigue. Valvular heart disease. A malfunctioning heart valve can cause chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, among other symptoms. Fatigue, shortness of breath are the common symptoms which relates to heart disease and disorders. In this slide, we'll discuss about the risk factors for our heart. The first one is maintaining an unhealthy diet. If we maintain a high amounts of saturated and trans fats in our diet, it leads to heart disease and heart disorders, which includes maintaining a high salt and sugar and low levels of fruits and vegetables in our diet also leads to heart disease and disorders. The next one is sedentary lifestyle. Not getting enough physical activity can lead to numerous problems, including high blood pressure and obesity. The physical activity can be in any form, trekking, exercise, etc. The next one is smoking. Smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke can increase the risk of heart attack and heart diseases and other heart problems, which lead to severe injuries to our body. In this slide, we will discuss the prevention and management of heart disease and heart disorders. The first one is lifestyle changes. Eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and quitting smoking can all help manage and prevent heart disease. And the next one is medications. There are numerous medications available that can help control blood pressure, cholesterol, and other risk factors. The next one is medical procedures. In some cases, medical procedures like angioplasty, stents, or bypass surgery may be necessary to treat our heart or to manage our heart disease. In this line, we will discuss about the future of heart health research. Gene therapy. Scientists are exploring gene therapy as a way to treat or prevent certain types of heart disease. The next one is artificial heart systems. New technologies like total artificial heart systems may hold promise for patients with advanced heart failure. The next one is wearable technology. Wearable technology like heart rate monitors may help people track their heart health and manage their risk. And the next one is stem cell research. Stem cell therapy may offer a way to regenerate damaged heart tissues and promote healing. The heart is truly an amazing organ, responsible for keeping us alive and thrilling every single day. And I hope you have understood something new through this presentation. And thank you for being throughout this presentation. Thank you once again.